Hello, dear miniature enthusiasts and cherished collectors. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a delightful new addition to your miniature world, the charming fox family. Let's start with our adorable baby fox. Just look at this little one in their cute diaper, with a tiny tail that wiggles and a removable diaper. This baby fox is full of personality. Imagine the joy it brings to little hands as they play. Next up, we have the Lil Sis or bro. Their sweet face and soft, plush belly mimic the comforting feel of real fur. This little fox is perfect for snuggles and will surely become a favorite companion for you or your children. Now let's meet the big sis or bro. Standing proudly at 4.72 inches tall, they bring a sense of adventure and playfulness to your collection. And finally, let's not forget Mom and Dad Fox. At 6.69 inches tall, they are the loving guardians of this enchanting family. Their artistic design showcases fine craftsmanship, making them a must-have for any miniature enthusiast. Crafted from 100% cotton and featuring hypoallergenic filling, each fox is designed with care for both safety and comfort. Together, they complement the beloved mouse family from Maileg, creating endless opportunities for imaginative play. Just picture the adventures these two families can embark on together. The plastic granulate filling adds a delightful weight, allowing for easy posing in all sorts of playful positions. Whether you're adding to your collection or searching for that perfect gift for your little ones, the Fox family is here to sprinkle that a bit of magic into your dollhouse adventures. So, let your creativity soar and watch as these charming companions become part of your family's story. Thank you for joining me today. Happy collecting.